See this building? And that one? They're pretty big. When I moved here, I wanted to create my own job. I met the owners of this place, and I offered to paint it all by hand. I had no friends to help. My only condition is my child must be able to come with me. And basically, the only reason I wasn't given the contract is because some dude came in with a machine and they decided they wanted it done faster than slower. But yeah, that's just about how much balls I got. I'll offer to paint a building this big by hand. I would have secured my rent for like 3 or 4 months. I thought it was a great idea at the time. So then they offered me that little building. There's a restaurant in there. They offered me a restaurant, silver platter opportunity. They offered me a restaurant. They'd pay for the inventory, all the overhead. I got free reign of the menu. I can bring my child to work if I want. The whole concept of the restaurant was up to me, and I said, nope. Nope, nope, nope. Thank you, though. So I've already been there and done that. Not doing it again. Just because you get offered a silver platter opportunity does not mean you have to take it. So instead, I took a job where I worked. So I lived, worked, and played in the same grounds every day, and I did odd jobs, and I cleaned cottages. I thought it was great. I recycled the energy of the cottages, met people every day. My daughter got to play like a free bird, a Canadian kid, all day, meeting people from all over the world. Think big, people. Only thing stopping you is your own imagination. Yeah, the sunrise is coming up to the east. That's why I came out for an early morning drive.